Hello everybody! Hi!
Hindi naman kita dyan.
Ha? Hindi ba kita? Kita naman ah. Kita. So,
Wala kaming vlog for a whole week.
wala kaming vlog kasi na-busy kami and eto kami ngayon nagbabalik. Ay, grabe naman si Siri. Nagbabalik kami ngayong gabi, ngayong araw na ito. Kasi, isasama namin kayo. Kasi wala kaming rice, mag-grocery kami. So,
Hindi naman grocery yun.
ay, actually, hindi naman grocery daw, sabi ni Kim. Bibili lang tayo ng rice. And, gusto namin kayong isama para makita nyo kung magkano na yung rice dito.
Thank you.
Let's go!
Thanks.
Guys, 6:30 na pala dito ng gabi. Malapit na tayo sa Superstore. Ayan. Oo nga. Ayan ang Superstore. Ayan ang Superstore. Guys, 6:30 na dito. Madilim na kasi tiglamig na. Aha. Ngayon pa lang, ngayon pala ang araw ng huling hirit ng tag-init dito. Kasi bukas, I think starting bukas, malamig na sobra. Parang isang digit na lang yung namin dito.
Isang digit legit.
Isang digit na lang yun.
Isang digit legit.
Yung temperature namin dito. And as you can see, maraming tao pa din kasi nga 6:30 pa lang.
Maglalagay kami ng ng bagong intro. Parang ganito. Paano yun?
Awan ko.
Nakalimutan ko na.
Abangan nyo guys kasi mukhang gagawa kami ng intro. Magpo-compose kami ng bagong intro. Oo, ganun.
Paano yun? Kalimutan ko. Dapat nirecord natin.
Sige, update namin kayo pag nasa loob na kami. We are here. We've arrived.
We've arrived at Superstore.
At Superstore.
Alright.
This
Oh,
is
diba?
Superstore and we've arrived to buy some rice. Ayun na po ang Superstore. Medyo weird yung clouds today, no? Ayun na. Hiring sila, guys. Ayan, nandito na kami. Uy, pa-flu shot. Flu shot kaya tayo. Pwede. Teka, hanapin natin.
Meron pa sila.
Ayan yung pharmacy. Tatry namin magpa-flu shot ngayon. We'll see kung meron. Okay, so apparently walang ngayon. Wala silang regular dose ng flu vaccine. So we're not gonna do that. Right? Okay.
Guys, ang lakas po ng music dito. So
alam niyo na.
Alam
Konti
niyo
lang
na.
yung video na to. Ayan, dyan kami pupunta sa rice. And that one is what we're gonna buy. That rooster. So this is what we get. 21. Huh? What is that? This is 21. The scented rooster rice. Yeah. No, this is what we get. This is, I think, what is this?
Ito yung mahal eh.
Ah,
Ito yung mag-gusto natin.
what is this? Have you tried this one?
Royal.
This is only 19, no?
Hindi yan golden bean yan. Ito yun
Oh, we didn't like this. Did
Talaga
we?
ba? Yan
Yeah.
yung ng parents
Let's just get
niya.
this one. Yeah. Just get this. And this one is $21. It used to be only 16, now it's 21. Yeah. So
Anong gusto mo?
I want to buy a bread pan so we can bake banana bread.
Okay. Sige, hanap tayo.
These ones, all no-name prices locked until so
January
yung mga ganito,
31.
hindi sila maapektuhan ng mga
Pagtaas ng
inflation.
presyo.
Yeah, any no-name brands.
Wow. Saan ka pa maglalako?
Di ba ganito yun sa Pilipinas?
Ano ilalako mo?
bigas. I think we're gonna get this one. Because this is cheap. Ah, ito pala. Ay, meatloaf pan. Wait. Pwede ba to? Pwede naman, no? Kasi $10 lang.
Ay,
Or do you want like little muffins?
maganda din to. Ha?
You want little muffins?
No.
Because this is only $12.
This one is nice.
Or this one also, like little loaves. Right?
How much is it?
$12. You should get this one. So it's easier to take to work. Or, ay, meron din pala sila ng ganito.
That one na lang.
Yeah, ito na lang, $7. Yeah. Okay, let's look up, because we already have,
The square ones?
no, yung
The ripe banana.
bananas. We're just gonna look what else we need, because I don't think we need anything else, but let's just make sure.
Flour.
We have almond flour.
Okay.
At home. But ours is from IKEA.
Totoo. Yung sa amin ito, medyo brown and pink. Alam nyo guys, grabe na talaga ngayon yung pagtaas ng presyo, no? Kasi parang yung grocery namin ni Kim na binabudget namin dati for only 50 to 60. Grabe ngayon. So kahit sa ang sulok talaga ng mundo, nagtaas talaga yung presyo. Grabe yung inflation talaga. Nakakaiyak. So imagine, paano na lang kaya if yung mga kababayan natin sa Pilipinas, no, na medyo nahirapan din sana, ipipray ko na lang na okay na like magiging okay ang lahat. Pero alam nyo, kung manalo ako sa loto, promise talaga, tutulong tayo sa Pilipinas. Diyos ko. Kaya push natin ang mga numbers natin sa loto. Kasi yun talaga yung pinapromise ko sa sarili ko. Kasi parang ang ganda lang sa feeling na pag umangat ka, yung mga kakilala mo o kahit na yung mga ibang kababayan mo na gusto magtulungan, aangat din, you know? Baking powder and baking soda. Diba? Naiiyak ako minsan pag naisip ko na parang eto, ngayon, blessed na nga kami kasi nga, di ba, may mga work, okay kami, nakakagastos kami, paano yung iba, di ba? Ko, grabe, ang mahal na. Guys, meron pala kaming maraming ganito kasi bumili kami last time, nilalagay ko sa fridge kasi pang pawala din yan ng amoy ng fridge. Ayan, meron siyang
Let's go get butter.
okay, let's go. Ayan na mga butter nila, smooth like butter.
Kim ka, wala ng cute. Ay, ito pala.
Salted or unsalted? Tingnan nyo naman guys, Diyos ko naman.
Besel na lang tayo kasi mura naman ang beso.
Oo nga naman. Meron din sila mga vegan dito, mga gluten-free. And kompleto ricados. Okay na?
Alright, we are done. And that whole grocery trip is $35. Yeah. It's 3 items. But I mean, like, that's $21 already, so that's why. And then this one we didn't really need, but we have some bananas at home that need to be baked, so uwi muna kami. And hala, sikat, nagkakalat. Ay, hindi nanalo si Fred. Sorry, Fred. Nag-post pa naman siya dun sa namin, pero hindi siya nanalo. Sayang, kamukha niya pa naman si Obama ng onte.
Sorry, Fred.
Sorry, Fred.
Maybe next time.
Try again. Tatry muna namin na na tumaan na isa pang pharmacy to see if we can get a flu shot because tomorrow is our COVID shot.
Our second booster shot.
Yeah. So, kanina pala, nung after work namin, nagpa-Cairo ako. So I'm feeling like a baby right now. Kasi ang sarap magpakairo.
Shoppers, no appointment needed.
Shoppers? Saan may shoppers? Saan may shoppers?
Let's see.
Hanap kami ng pharmacy na no appointment needed for flu shot. Because yung flu shot, routine siya every year. You should get it so you don't get a flu. So we're just gonna look for shoppers na may flu shot right now.
El Dorado, Broadway and Commercial, Hastings and Slocum.
Broadway and Commercial, malapit na yan dito. Can you check where that is? Okay, wait lang guys kasi mag-check kami sa mga map ng directions and everything.
Can we use...
Never mind, because the pharmacies for flu shots are only open until 5 or 6. So we're just gonna try another day. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna go home right now to do a lot of things. Prep for tomorrow and para ma-upload din to, no? Para bukas. Kasi ang tagal na namin walang vlog. So I'll need to edit this one and then we'll just see you at home. Switch kami ni Kat, so she's gonna be driving us tonight because I want to play my Pokemon Go. So while she's looking up where she's going, even though I just told her where we're going, I will be playing Pokemon Go. So mamaya na uli. So we are now in the garage of our home, I guess. High-rise building, apartment.
Nag-burp ako.
Oh, kadiri. Okay, so we're already here, and during that drive, it took 15 minutes, and I caught 11 Pokemons.
Oh. Kaya gusto niyang ako mag-drive kasi magpaano siya ng Pokemon.
Yeah, because on Pokemon Go or Pogo, you get like incense stick per day, and then it lasts 15 minutes, and then during that incense thing, if you keep moving, you catch Pokemons, and sometimes there are like daily bonuses and stuff. So yun lang, inaabot ko. Anyways, bababa na kami kasi nandito na kami and I wanna go home. Nasa bahay na kami and look at the house. It's very messy.
So messy.
Pero tignan nyo, nag-uwi si Katrina ng mga hinarvest ni Miss Laura. Miss Laura, if you're watching, baka naman what? She's already given us so much. May sayote siya na very fresh kasi...
Baka manonood si Anthony. Anthony, baka gusto mo niyan.
Anthony, magtitonala ka ba? Ito na oh, pantinola mo. Tapos, ito, lalagyan mo yung suka mo. Tapos, kung magsisinigang ka. Wow! Oh my gosh, Laura is giving us a whole week's of groceries.
Thank you, ang sagot sa inflation.
Laura is the answer to the inflation. May pas zucchini pa siya na malaki. Oh, Laura, you already overpassed ba yun? Yung si Casa, kasi maliit lang yung zucchini ni Casa. But Laura, you have really, exceeded our expectations. So, magpiprito ako ng spring rolls to baon for tomorrow. And I'm gonna eat my mango, the $2 mango that I bought the other day. It's too expensive, inflation. There we go. I am now frying. May dalawa pa dito pero hindi na kasha. Ayan. So, I'm just gonna fry this for now. Masyado pang maasim yung mango ko kanina. So, yes. I don't know. No, kind of disappointing. Pero okay lang. Anyways, luto ko muna to. I will be right back. Alright, so this is all done. Nicely fried. Pero mabaho siya. Stinks. And then this is our butter. Ito yung binibili namin kasi madali lang siyang i-measure. Kasi nandyan na, oh. You just have to cut wherever. So then, we put that over there. and yeah, I checked the temperature of the meat just to make sure that it's actually done and cooked. I don't want to make a mistake.
Ano to? Kapal?
I don't know. Let me think about it.
Ay, maano na eh.
Okay. So, ngayon, mag-watch na lang kami ng TV. Ay, nagpapamelt ng waxy cat ngayon. Yeah. And then, we're gonna watch TV right now. Right? Kim ka ba Vancouver?